there. Okay, doing good. So here I am with the demo. It took a bit while to figure out because this you are using 2019 and it's a bit difficult because the options and the formulas are not available on that version, which is an older version, obviously. So by but I have done it, and let me show you how it's going to work. So you can see here there are now you have the drop downs. If I'll type in maybe IG and I'll click on this drop down, you will see you will be getting only the options which are related to IG. So if I'll type in 110 maybe, and then I'll click on this drop down, you'll see you are getting only the options which are related to 110, which on which values there is the 110 is present. So this is very easy to select. Let me select another one maybe. But yes, you can always select any other values as well. So this is not going to throw an error if you are entering something else, which you shouldn't. I think that the error should also be there. So if you are entering only 110, it should throw an error. But I have removed the error. Please let me know if you want to have it back and you just want to select that only the particular proper entries to be selected. Okay, so let me show something here as well. Let me click FB and try find out. Yeah, we have the option for FB, all three available. I'll select this one. You can always enter the quantity as well, and here you see the calculations are okay. Now for this one, if I'll press maybe OPQ, OP, maybe let's OP, try OP. If there is any, yeah, we have this. So I'll take this AROP and then I'll click on this one so that as you can see you have only one option with the AROP. If I remove the O and I'll click on this, you will see all the available options which contains the ARO text. So if I'll select this one and you can see everything is working fine. The calculation is working for this only. I don't know for some reason. So if you might have more data, it will work. So that's it from my side. Now you have the searchable dependent drop downs. If you haven't entered anything, you won't be able to see anything in here. You have to type in something, maybe 111. Let's see if we have any. Yes, we have few available for that. Let me enter another zero with it, and then click on this drop down, and you can see here. Yep. So if I'll type in another zero, yep, we have all the options. Okay, let me try something. Maybe GN, not this one. Let me try IG, and yes, let me try the mini green, MINI, and then click this drop down, and you will be able to see only the. So the text available in any of the entries on the product and the delivery zones tabs on the relevant columns, those will be reflected in here. I think this we can test this one with more. Maybe I can try with the CECD. Maybe let's see if we have any option in it. Sorry, CD and then click this. I don't know. We don't have any. So if I'll click RE, we have some options with the RE. Let's try ABB. Yep. So now you can see it's working fine. Please let me know if you need any further assistance. Thank you.